Number 41, tracking time. I find many issues associated with tracking time in my stories complex and even befuddling. For example, a character in New York who needs to call a business associate in Tokyo. Well, 5 p.m. today in New York is 7 p.m. tomorrow in Tokyo, which means communicating during normal business hours is essentially impossible. Or how about Australia? New York to parts of Australia could be 14 and a half hours different. 14 and a half? Why are you doing that to my little brain? Or how about the Navajo Nation in Arizona? Arizona doesn't change time with daylight savings, but the Navajo Nation does to keep it unified within the nation. Whew. And how about, I write murder mysteries, so how about alibis? Sometimes I have to track time down to the minute, or even more minute than that. Tracking time is complicated. I actually keep a grid. I open a Word document, I list the people or the situation or both, and I track what I'm doing and when and the timing, and that really helps me. Now it's your turn. What do you do to help you track time in your stories? I'd love to hear your thoughts on the subject. Go ahead and put them in the comments. I read them all. Or even better, record a video and tell me about it. Upload it using the hashtag BeatTheBotsBook. That way, I can amplify your voice. I can spread the word because your voice matters. You matter. And I'm so glad you're part of my writing community. I know you can do it, and I look forward very much to hearing your thoughts. If you came to this video in any way other than the book, Beat the Bots, A Writer's Guide to Surviving and Thriving in the Age of AI, I hope you'll take a look at the book. I think you'll find it very helpful, useful. Exercises, worksheets to help you home in on your innate creativity and apply the new ideas, the fresh takes to specific elements of storytelling, from setting and dialogue, characterization, plotting, and more. I know you can do it. Would you ask your librarian to put the book on the shelf? I'd be so appreciative. An independent bookseller, too. Thank you so much.